Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how you can set up your online store on Shopify, especially how to set up your navigation bar on your online store in Shopify. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously to sign in into your Shopify account, and then you're going to want to go to this online store sections on the menu on the left side of your screen. And over here, you're going to be able to see your online store. This is how mine looks like. I'm going to take a look at my store real quick. So this is how it looks like for now. You can see that it's very basic. I didn't really change much from the template, and I would like to change it. The only things that I put was just I'm inserting some product that I'm selling as well as the logo of my shop. So I would like to add up some more pages, as well as I want to change how this navigation bar up here looks like. And to do that, you can simply go to this sections right here for our online store, and let's start with the pages. So right now, here are the pages that I have. I only have contacts, and I would like to add more. To add more page, all I have to do is just to click on this add page on the top right of my screen right here. And then I can start and adding the title of my page. Let's say I want to add an about us page. And then maybe the content is going to be my Instagram address, Instagram, probably TikTok, or probably other website that are connected to my business. Can go ahead and add that. And under there, you can also settings on how the search engine listings going to look like. You can just simply click on edit website SEO if you want. I'm not going to change it for now. And I can also change the visibility, whether I want it to be hidden or I want to make it visible. I'm going to just make it visible. Then I can also change the template if I want. So either I want to follow the theme template, or I want to make the template look the same, just like my contact page. I'm just going to leave it as the default page. Once we're done adding our page, you can just go ahead and click on save. And it just says that now the about us page is created. I have like this blog post sections right here. I don't have any because I don't really want to add a blog post for my online store, but if you would like to, you can just go ahead and click on the blog post and click create blog post and start writing your blog. You can even add pictures to it. You can add summary to the post, and you can edit your details, your organization's detail. I'm not going to do any of that because I'm not going to add a blog post for my online store. So I'm just going to discard that. So I finished adding up my pages. I'm going to take a look at it first before I'm going to edit it on my navigation. All I have to do is just I have to click on my page and then click on view page, and it's going to direct me into the page on my website. So this is how it looks like right now. Obviously, you're going to want to insert more info, but I'm just putting this out so you got the idea. Now, this is the navigation bar of my website. I don't want it to have like this 3 pages. I want to change it. And to do that, all I have to do is just go to this navigation part right here, and it's going to show me the menu that I have. So the first navigation that my website page have is this menu navigation. And you can see that the only menu that I have is the one on the footer, which is the search bar, which is this one, and these 3 other menu. And if I would like to add some more, I can always click add menu, and then maybe I want to rename it sidebar menu. Then I can also add menu item, in which I can search. See, I have all of the things that I have on my web page, and let's say that I want my sidebar menu to have home page. Go ahead and click on add. Then I wanted to have the collection, and I can also choose which collections do I want to put. So I only have two for now. Going to add the attire as well as the jewelry. All right, so I had a homepage attire and jewelry. I think I'm good with that. And I'm going to go ahead and click on save menu. And now my sidebar menu is already created. I'm going to go back to see what other menu do I have. I can also edit my main menu. So what I did was I deleted the contact us menu, and I'm just going to change this home menu into, let's say, the collection to all collection, apply changes, and I'm going to change this into, let's say, about. Okay, about us page. And I'm going to change the name. It's going to be about us. Apply changes, and I forgot to rename this one, so I'm going to change it real quick. It's going to be collection. Then apply changes. All right, now that I already added my navigation, oops, don't forget to save it before you leave. Let's go back. Now that we got our menu, feel free to also add the filters if you would like, but now I'm just going to go ahead and take a look on how my website's going to look like. And you can see now my main navigation has changed to just collections and about us. And if I click on it, it's going to bring me to the collections that I have. Here's my entire collection. And I don't see my sidebar menu, so I'm just going to try go to the editor real quick. To do that, I only have to go to my online store and then click on customize. And let's see how the pages looks like. All right, so I can see that there is a sidebar menu over here, but somehow on the real store it does not appear. So yeah, I don't really know what went wrong on my website after I edited. This one is just right. This one is exactly like I want it to be, but somehow the side menu are not appearing on the side. But basically, that is how you can set up your online store. That's how you can add pages and how you can edit your navigation sections. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.